Have you ever wondered how solid the ground is beneath our economic feet? How robust is the financial structure that supports our day-to-day transactions, our livelihoods, our dreams? It's a question worth pondering, a question that might unearth some unsettling truths. Let's delve into the annals of history, where the echoes of past civilizations reverberate with tales of economic collapse. These tales, though distant, bear an uncanny resemblance to the patterns we see today. In the grandeur of Rome, we see the first symptom of economic collapse: hyperinflation. As Rome expanded its borders, the cost of maintaining its empire skyrocketed. To cope, they started minting more coins, thereby diluting the value of their currency. This led to hyperinflation, which slowly eroded the Roman economy from within. Then, there was the Ming Dynasty, where the second symptom emerged: excessive debt. The Ming government embarked on ambitious projects, from the Great Wall to the Forbidden City, plunging the empire into debt. This led to higher taxes, impoverishing the people and destabilizing the economy. In the once prosperous Mali Empire, we see the third symptom: economic dependence on a single commodity. For Mali, it was gold. When the gold mines dried up, so did their economy. Fast forward to the Soviet Union, where we observe the fourth symptom: economic rigidity. The state-controlled economy stifled innovation and adaptability, leading to stagnation and eventually collapse. Now, let's look at our current economic landscape. Are we seeing signs of hyperinflation? Perhaps not yet, but the continuous printing of money in many economies around the world could be a warning sign. What about excessive debt? Global debt is at an all-time high. Nations, corporations, and individuals are all swimming in a sea of debt. Economic dependence? Many economies are heavily reliant on single commodities or sectors. Whether it's oil in the Middle East or tech in Silicon Valley, the danger of over-reliance is real. And economic rigidity? While our economies are more flexible than the Soviet Union's, the growing influence of big corporations could be leading us towards a new form of rigidity. In conclusion, the symptoms of past economic collapses are not just relics of history. They are warnings, flashing red, urging us to pay attention. Hyperinflation, excessive debt, economic dependence, and economic rigidity — these are the four horsemen of economic collapse. As we stand on the precipice of the future, it's crucial to remember the past, to learn from the fallen empires and adapt to ensure the stability of our own economy. Because the ground beneath our economic feet might not be as solid as we think.